how to buy Uniswap on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Uniswap on Etoro in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro and then go to the watch list, and after that you go down and you will find the Uniswap. If you didn't find it, just click here on this icon and choose crypto. And after you find it, click on it like this, then click on trade and choose the amount of money that you want to invest, and after that click open trade, then choose your payment method. You have credit card or bank transfer, and also PayPal or Skrill. After that go down and click deposit and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.